All right, guys, how are you? Doing even more Elton John. Seems like one day I've got to run out of Elton John songs. I'm at like 80, sitting at 80, something like that on the website. It's incredible. Where's the Shoorah? If only real Elton John fans will know that one. It's a great song. A lot of his best stuff aren't the hits that we all think of. And even the lesser known songs, are good. And then you have others that nobody seems to know, and then they're really good too. This is one of those that's really good. I mean, it's Elton John at his best, and in his piano stylings. I mean, the gospel blues that he uses here. He didn't make that up. He got it out of the black gospel churches, and I think it rubbed off on him when he was in the studio as a studio musician all those years. Just look who he played for, and you can see how that would have happened. But this is just a very good piece to work on as far as Elton's kind of ballad style. It really is. So we're going to jump in here, and you can download the sheet if you are a member. And that's helpful to just, mark it up or print it off or put it on a big screen. I don't know how many of you do that, but that's really a neat way to do it. The screens are so cheap these days. Just get it big, and then you can, look at two measures like that. And it's just like, I don't know, it's easier when it's like that. Bigger, and you don't have all the other measures around it. All right, so this is the album version. And we have one. Elton John style. Now, I pride myself on, well, not pride, I'm not perfect, but wrong camera. I really try to nail down, when I'm doing a hard request, just as close as I can possibly get to the original. Okay, for Elton John, that means nailing all the right hand licks. His left hand is just going to do sort of a floating style, and it's really not necessary to write out every left hand note. For one, you can't hear them all. And the second thing is that's not how he's doing it, and that's not how musicians do it. We just kind of get a feeling for what he's doing in the left hand, and we keep that going, and we're going to nail all the right hand licks, okay? Now, if he does do something that's real of note in the left hand, which he does sometimes, we're going to get that. But for this quarter note style, it's just kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. 2, 3. It's kind of the whole octave, then the thumb, mostly. Sometimes da-da, ba-ba-ba. All right? You're just kind of marking time there. So it's, as a musician, that should make sense to you. You just do that E flat. You don't need all those written in there. But for the right hand, we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. All right, so for your left hand, that's why I have a quarter note there. Just because you're just going to do a quarter note, be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. It doesn't really matter, exactly how you do it, just as long as it's a quarter note feel. And there's an octave in each measure, and that's just typical Elton John. There's not much in the left hand going on, usually, except for, rhythmically. And then sometimes he'll surprise you. He'll do some left hand stuff sometimes. G, B flat, E flat, G in the right. 1, 2, 4, 5. G, B flat, G. So it's 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and. So everything in that measure is the E flat chord. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and if you find that stretch is kind of hard for you, spend a little time just doing this. Just stretching your fingers a little bit, holding it. Waiting a little while, not till where it hurts. Okay, don't hurt yourself. It just kind of helps a little bit to get the hands flexible. 1 and 2 and a 3, 4 and 1. Now on this one, you go to G on the left, The first one was an E flat chord, right? Second measure G, D, B, G, F. Turn your thumb sideways. Can you do that? Can you get all those notes? 1 and 2. And then it goes F, B, G. 1, 2. If you just have a small hand, you can't reach that. Then just do this: B, D, F, G. Then the G octave. F, E flat, D, da, da, da. 1, 2, and a 3. Okay, real smooth, real flowy. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and 1, 2. So a lot of Elton's fills are just based on the chord. He's like Beethoven would just write tons of motives using a chord. And that's what Elton does. A flat, C, E flat, 1, 2, 3, bum, 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 bum. Everything in that is part of this A flat chord. You see that? 1, 2, da, 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 da. That's where they sing the first Shoorah. 1, 2, Shoorah. So as you play that A natural, see that's an A natural. I missed that. I missed that. 1, 2. Shoorah. He gets to the A early. I almost don't like doing it that way. Shoorah. But that's what he does. He gets to Shoorah because when the choir sings that, they do an A natural. Shoorah. So as you're holding that A, if you absolutely don't like that, just do A flat. Shoorah. But the choir hits the A natural early, and I'm pretty sure the piano does too. 1, 2. But you have to pedal it. Then you add C, E flat, G. So the chord here is A half diminished 7. So you have A, C, E flat. That's the diminished part. The half diminished has to do with it not being a fully diminished. It's a G. All right? It's like playing a C minor over an A bass. G, C, F, E flat, D, G, C, ba, 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 ba. Shoorah. And then he goes C, E flat, G, G on the thumb. Then you go to an E flat chord with a B flat bass. B flat, E flat, G in the right. 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. And after you say 2, 1 and 2. You can start this little pattern here. G, B flat, E flat, A flat. I'd go 1, 2, 3, 5, and then a thumb. B flat, G, G, F, G, E flat, 1, 2. Bring out the top note. Then you keep the B flat. It's called an E flat 6/4 chord. Here's the E flat, but the B flat's on the bass. 1, 2, 3. Then you have a B flat 7, F, A flat, B flat, D, 1, 2, 3, 5. Bop, bop, A, F, A flat, C with 1, 2, 4. Then you go to the D. And the singing starts as I say. 1, 2. So we're kind of a swing. 1 and a 2. 1. This is just the gospel blues style. 1. Especially this. C, E flat, A flat, 1, 2, 5. B flat, A flat, G. And then G, B flat, G, B flat, E flat. See how everything is a chord? And then he just plays an F on top. So that measure is 1. Again, 1, 2. And then A. So A flat, C, E flat, A flat, left hand A flat. It kind of sounds Ray Charles-ish too. Early Ray Charles, because that's where he got it too. Okay, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, 2. So a lot of the early black artists were coming from the churches, and that's where they got their style from. Watch the movie Ray, and it'll show you. 1, 2, F, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, 1 and 2. Now I used to go to a black church as a child, and my mom took us, and now we were the little white kids in the black church, and they loved us. We loved them, and it's where I developed my love for gospel blues. It was great. A natural G, right hand E flat G A C 1 and 2 F. Okay, so that's that A half diminished chord. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. See 1 and. See, I told you he has some left hand stuff. So there's a place where, okay, we need to nail that. All right. See? So there's a place where we want to hit that B flat. There's a time to vamp and not worry about every detail, and then there's a time to worry about the details. And here's a place where the left hand needs B flat, G, F, A flat, B flat. Don't blur that pedal. Then it's F and C with 1 and 4. Then A flat, C, E flat, F. That's an F minor 7. Then A flat's by itself. Once you hit B flat, you do B flat, D, F, then an A flat. So 1 and 2. It's a cool measure. Just watch the pedal. Now we're going to play the whole page. Some of you want me to play the whole song through, but then I would get into cover territory, and that's where the copyright stuff is. I don't want to test any boundaries there because then I'm covering the song, and that's different. Right now I'm teaching, but if I got into the cover area, then can be asking for trouble. So I'm never going to do that. But we can do a page, which is 3 lines of music, and surely you can, hear a page and then listen to the next page and get that going together. And if you want to hear the thing all the way through, just listen to Elton do it, because that's what I'm going from. All right, here we go. And go 1, 2. Oops, sorry. 1 and no, that goes fast. No, that's fast. 1 and 2 and ba-bum. Okay, 1 and no. Yeah, all right, so that's this page. Let's cut, and then I'll see you in the next one.